Before using your TacLock, it's important to change the factory set combination. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to set your own custom code step by step. Let's get started. Step 1, open the drawer. Factory combination is 1, 5, 4, 8. Remove the 2 Phillips screws on the back lock and remove the housing. Step 2, pull out the lock module. Step 3, press both the center tab and the left tab at the same time to release the pins. Step 4, remove all pins. Step 5, while depressing the center and left tabs on the lock body, place your pins in the correct slot for your desired combination. The combination must be 4 different numbers. They must be sequential based on the A, B, C, D labels. Wherever you place the A pin will be your first number in your combination. Replace all the empty slots with the remaining dummy pins. Step 6. All the pins must be oriented in the same way so the visible letters are facing downward on the lock module. Be sure that the word top on the module is facing the opposite direction of the letters. Step 7. Press the lock module into the back of the lock body firmly until it seats itself. Replace the back cover. Step 8. Before closing the drawer and locking it, test the lock function using the new code several times. Once everything checks out, you're good to go. Your TacLock is now set with a custom combination and ready for use. For more support or product information, please visit TruckVault.com.